The chimneys got blocked up. This man came and cleaned them out here with his brush. This is a corgi. It's only a 98cc engine. This gentleman here, he's riding a Vincent. Vincents were made in Stevenage in Hertfordshire. This is an HRD Vincent. H.R. Davis, I always forget his middle name. So, Raymond. Howard Raymond Davis, HRD. And he produced these motorcycles. Eventually, they were bought out by a guy called Vincent. By today's standards, it is wickedly fast. It is the fastest motorcycle, production motorcycle at the time, 125 mile an hour. Now, it looks a bit antiquated in places. The girder forks, which is the solid forks, but they were his own design. And if you look at it carefully when he parks up, it's got twin brakes in the front, single on the back, and there's lots of innovation on it. You can see the size of the clock on it. They produced the shadow. I don't know which one this one is.
Well, it's got a shadow clock, but it is actually a repeat.
We British, we wanted our own styles of bikes. We wanted the best of everything. So the best you could buy was a Norton frame with a Triumph engine in it. We made loads of mongrels. And this one is an HRD Vincent in, I don't know what the frame are. What is the frame?
It's a wide line Norton.
1000cc. It does take a bit of starting, and you see it likes to kick him back as well. Beautiful clean machine. His rear set footrest, so you can crouch a little bit, extra few miles. This is a husband, so I cannot say too much. Kim and Dave, they're riding Ariels. Ariels were made in Selly in Birmingham, and they've been going since the turn of the century, 1896 or something. They produced tricycles with engines in them, and they produced a wide range of machines throughout the years. Twin cylinder, single cylinder, sidecar haulers. There's Ariel Square 4, which was a bit unique, and then suddenly they came up with these. They came up with this bike here, which is an Ariel Leader. It was a wonderful little bike, but it was not what we wanted, so we didn't buy it. If we did buy it, we took it home and took all these tin panels off and threw them away. So Ariel went on for a couple of years with this. 1955, yeah. If you look at the two bikes, I didn't know you were going to come in. As I said before, produced in Rome. You can see his panniers on the back. I don't know why, but on the military machines, you always get a lot of brass on them, don't you? It seems expensive at the time. I'm talking with dispatch rider the other day in Old Barn, and he said if you read them all, BSA's, but matchless was the favourite. How is this? This is what you call an aging rocker. I Can I call you that? He's riding a Triumph. Triumphs were made in 21 cubes. So we stuck with the 21. The 21 originally had a nice and soft and a beautiful bike. And this gentleman and this brother are gonna PSA to it. PSA's Armory Road.
And following the motorcycles, able to see them here before lunch.